Welcome back to the healthy side of the internet. Today we'll be talking about dental hygiene. Throughout this video, we'll show you what you should and shouldn't do if you want to keep your teeth looking white and healthy, without any whitening treatments. Before we get started, let's make one thing clear: in this video won't talk about whitening your teeth, but rather on keeping your teeth white and preventing yellowing. We felt like this deserves a mention because more and more people seem really eager to hop on the whitening procedures train. We'd also like to point out that some of the whitening procedures out there are actually known to cause harm to your teeth and gums. After professional whitening procedures, some people might experience increased sensitivity, irritations, enamel damage. Instead of discussing this, however, we'll focus on what we do best, and what most of you are here for anyway, talking about natural ways of staying healthy. In this video, we'll be covering two things: how to avoid the yellowing of your teeth, how to keep your teeth looking white and healthy. 1. Keep your teeth clean. Obviously, keeping your teeth clean goes a long way towards keeping them white. Not only does it contribute to the long-term health of your teeth, but it also combats plaque buildup. When plaque builds up on your teeth, it will cause a yellowish tint. Brush your teeth every day, twice a day for 2 minutes. Get a dental cleaning at twice per year if possible. A word of caution: don't brush your teeth immediately after eating. Brushing your teeth as soon as possible after having a meal is actually a horrible idea. If done regularly, this can actually lead to long-term damage. Wait at least an hour before brushing. How it works: after we eat some of the more acidic foods, our teeth enamel can soften up for a while. Brushing your teeth during this period can severely damage the enamel, causing a whole string of problems down the line. 2. Protect your enamel. Dentin is immediately below the enamel. If your enamel gets damaged, your dentin can start peeking through the gaps, making your teeth appear yellower. So even if your teeth aren't stained, they can look unkempt. How to protect your enamel: whenever you drink acidic things, use a straw, preferably a reusable one. Every time you have something acidic, rinse your mouth with water. Stay hydrated. If you don't have a reusable straw on hand, we've got something great just for you in the description below: a reusable stainless steel drinking straw. 3. Avoid staining your teeth with food and drink. Staining from foods that we consume can indeed stain our teeth, especially if we eat them regularly. Keep in mind that this doesn't mean you should completely avoid these foods, but simply be mindful of how often you consume them and make a habit of cleaning your teeth as soon as possible afterwards. A quick swish with water is more than enough until you get the chance to wash your teeth. Here's a list of things that can result in staining: dark tea, coffee, dark sodas, cola, commercial fruit juices, pomegranate juice, red wine, blueberries and beets. On top of the cleaning methods and preventive techniques above, we've got 2 more methods of keeping your teeth white, this time with dietary changes. 4. Get more fiber in your diet. Not only is fiber great for your digestive tract and muscles, but fibrous foods also help in scrubbing away the plaque from your teeth as you chew. 5. Eat less sugar. If you've ever looked at a healthy living website, book, or video, you're already aware of the numerous problems caused by sugar. Here's one additional reason to limit your sugar intake. Given a bit of time, the bacteria living in your mouth converts sugar into acids, which then eat away at your enamel and weaken it. In summary, avoid staining your teeth, avoid enamel damage, limit plaque buildup. With the help of these simple tips, you can keep your teeth white and healthy without the need for any whitening procedures, special toothpaste or other magical solutions. What do you think of whitening procedures? Have you ever had one yourself? What was your experience? If you've got any thoughts, ideas, and stories to share, or if you think that we missed something in our list, let us know in the comments below. If you got any thoughts, ideas and stories to share, or if you think that we missed something in our list, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, and remember, a healthy life is a happy life.